Welcome back, our lovely viewers, to Ebonyi People TV. We've got some hot gossip for you today. Linus Williams, aka Blord, the cryptocurrency billionaire, got arrested in Abuja earlier today. He's facing some serious accusations like fraud, funding terrorism, and helping with internet scams. How did he go from being one of the youngest Igbo billionaires, super rich, to getting into this huge mess? And what's the story behind these wild allegations, you might want to ask? Well, stay tuned as we break it all down for you in today's video. This is Ebonyi People TV, and kindly like and subscribe. Linus Williams, the popular cryptocurrency mogul, better known as Blord, has set the internet abuzz with news of his arrest and detention earlier today. This shocking event took place in Abuja, where Blord was taken into custody over serious allegations, including cryptocurrency fraud, terrorism funding, and aiding internet fraud. The arrest follows multiple complaints lodged by the well-known activist, Very Dark Man, against Blord's companies, which are the Blord Group, Blord Real Estate Limited, Blord JetPay Limited, and Billpoint Technology. Very Dark Man has been very vocal about the grievances, highlighting issues of poor customer service and accusations that Blord has scammed numerous individuals out of their hard-earned money. Blord's rise to wealth has been nothing short of meteoric. In 2022, his net worth skyrocketed to $250,000, which is 344 million naira, and by 2024, it was reportedly worth a staggering $20 million. This rapid ascent in the world of cryptocurrency trading has now been overshadowed by the mounting allegations against him. The controversy gained momentum when Very Dark Man publicly called out Blord, urging him to address the numerous complaints about his services. Many people claimed they had been scammed, and the activists' persistent efforts to hold Blord accountable have now led to this high-profile arrest. As the situation unfolds, the online community is buzzing with reactions and speculations about Blord's future and the impact these allegations will have on his empire. So, stay tuned as we keep you updated on this developing story from the horse's mouth.
Is now in the police cell.
Ebonyi People TV.
As he was picked up, as he was detained today. Yes. So, Blord, now when you don't enter there, let me go back to all what you have been saying. Because I complained to you, say, make you work on your services. Say, people, they cry, say, your platform, they collect money for their hands. See your response. Very Dark Man, your papa. Tell your mumu people where they complain, make them enter our office for Asaba, blah, blah, blah. Then you ended up with, not be me and you go to do all these ones. I am too influential to drag you. Office is widely open. Let me read the other one. The lack of money can make one turn to a nuisance. I pray for you today. You shall never be like Very Dark Man. I love Edo. Very Dark Man, you tag me, your papa. I know you are very influential. Now, we won't see who get the influence. But you get money, Ali. You get money. When you come out now, you go humble. Those people where they ginger you. You go humble now. This one room where they see. Plenty of now go learn. And now go learn the hard way. All what you needed to do was fix your customer service. Pride. My papa say they post every time. No problem. Tomorrow they'll start with your counts. When they load all your counts for you, they will load it from head to down. Do you understand? They go low down. And to the other people where they do business, they complain to you if you like. You know, say you hand day one or two things. Rake. At the Abuja, you say you get influence. Your influence no reach Abuja, you say you are influential. Who gave you that influence? He who laugh like, oh, and for the people who go say, he's happy he's bringing somebody down. No. The boy is too proud. You know? Simple thing. Fix the people's problem. All I needed to do was to take a petition and pressure them to bring him on. We'll see who they mad. When you come on now, your body go cool. This your Igbira, go cool down. You go humble. You will learn. When I say you will learn, and you will learn the hard way, now be this.